Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace Hyundai Sonata door handle step by step. Gather tools, Torx and Phillips drivers, trim tool, ratchet, and replacement handle. Start by disconnecting the battery and lowering the window to access the interior trim. Remove bezel and switches, then gently pry the panel off while keeping clips and screws organized. Unbolt the old handle, detach linkage, swap the new handle in place, then reassemble and test latch operation. Start by lowering the window and removing the switch bezel and any visible screws to expose the panel. Use a trim panel tool to carefully pry the clips free, working along the edge to avoid damage. Disconnect electrical connectors by pressing their tabs and set the panel aside on a clean towel. Keep bolts and clips organized, then lift the panel clear to expose the handle assembly and mounting hardware for removal. Quick recommendation: if you like comfort, try Darn Tough socks with a lifetime warranty for durable, no-nonsense wear. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and see more repair guides. I use these socks between garage work and test drives for blister-free comfort and long life. Check the description for the link and other deals, then relax for a moment. Now let's get back to the video. With the interior panel removed, locate the handle mounting fasteners and support the exterior handle to prevent it from falling. Remove the fasteners and carefully unhook the latch rod by compressing its retaining clip and sliding the rod free. Position the new handle, align its tabs, and reattach the linkage clip securely. Tighten bolts to a snug fit, reconnect any wiring, test the door latch and lock operation, then reinstall the interior panel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.